Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to talk to you about Stone Legion and the future of Minecraft. So, before I was going to make this more about the future, just modded, or let's do a modded survival server, things like that. We've been talking about doing a survival server, and then I was like, modded server, and I know Electro, for example, is just grasping on the idea of, oh, I like modded, but we should do a survival server. And I was thinking, why are we doing a vanilla bucket server anyways? What the hell is wrong with us? Or Spigot, or Sponge. What are we doing? No one wants to play vanilla Minecraft. It's the truth. People will say, I want to, but there's a reason they want to. Stability. You know, that is literally the key thing. I like modded a lot. I like what I did, but I don't like the idea of I can't share my project with other people. It's going to die, blah, blah, blah. We got to change that. That is our problem. No one wants to play vanilla Minecraft. Vanilla Minecraft is so accessible, so easy to connect, so easy to do. We have a server that people can just, jump right on and get on. Except no one does that. Wait, what? Because no one wants to play vanilla. It's the truth. They want to play modded Minecraft. And the people who want to play vanilla, in the sense I say vanilla, that's with like bucket plugins, etc., are playing game servers. Well, okay, so let's go modded. I like modded. I like the building blocks. There's lots to do. There's lots of fun stuff. But I don't like how we wipe. I don't like how, I play a month or two and then I quit. Because I know eventually my work won't be seen, it'll die, etc. Well, we're going to change that. You know how we're going to change that? No more wipes. We've been wiping this entire time. I don't know why we wipe, but we wipe every friggin' time. So the idea is normal. Yeah, I'm going to say normal. No more wipes. We don't need it. Why don't we need it? Because when 1.8 comes up or 1.9 comes up, we can easily update. There is no block IDs. There is no block IDs. Even though that shows an ID on it, 1070, that doesn't exist anymore. If we take this to 1.6, well, okay, maybe not 1.6, but 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, that angel block will still be an angel block because it's done by the name. It's actually in the game considered done by a name, and it's placed there by a name, which means that will upgrade just fine. We don't have to worry about that sort of breakage. So what happens if a mod doesn't get updated? Like, let's say Industrial Craft, for example, does not get updated, and we're using their tin and copper ore. Yeah, my machines might go away, but we'll have replacements, right? But what about that tin and copper world generation that we use in several other mods? That's it, right? No, there are mods that you can regenerate the world with ores. You can actually replenish the generation. We did it on one of our last servers, actually. We somehow forgot silver. We literally derped up and forgot silver. We fixed it like that. Was not a problem. It was more of a learning experience figuring it out. To do the setting and change it and reboot the server took 2 seconds. Learning on the actual thing and how it works and whatnot took a little longer. But now it takes us 2 seconds to do that. Boom, you're done. So if we removed IC because IC sucks, blowing up, or it's garbage, or it's never getting updated again, and we're at 1.8, whatever, no problem. We have a fix for the yours. What about if the world starts getting junky? I mean, this is a good example of junky, but this is not like the junky I mean, but the world is tattered. There's, just too much junk. The biomes are getting old. The biomes are getting stale. We want to play with the new biomes aplenty. Maybe they added like 500 new biomes, or maybe we want to use an entirely different biome mod than we do. We make a new world. But what about all our work here? Is that it? We just have to wipe it? You move it over. Yeah, but I just spent months building this project. I'm not rebuilding it on the new server. Well, you don't have to rebuild it. You can use a Buildcraft pattern thing. I forget what it's called, but basically you can blueprint, and then you can use a builder to rebuild it on the other world. Basically, you can literally take a filler or whatnot and disassemble it, and then on the other side of the world, or the, whatever, you literally rebuild it. Just use an ender chest. Boom. While it's deassembling it, it's reassembling it. Well, that's kind of cool, but is there an easier way? Actually, there is. And I can't say this word, but it's a spadle. It's part of Applied Energistics. The idea is you will be placing these pillars around. I believe these are the pylons here. And what you do is you can place these around, and I don't know exactly. I think that's how they work. They work in like a 3x3, something like that. But the idea is you do your area. I think the biggest one is 128 by 128. And so that's a huge area. 128 by 128 is way bigger than 64 or whatever. And you can go boom, and everything inside will be dematerialized, stored on a data disk, basically, data storage and digital storage, whatever. And then you can go to the other world and spawn it again, and boom, done, over. Literally, that's how amazing it is. So you could, take a quarter of your building or all of it, depending on the size, and move your base in an instant, which is actually kind of cool because people might do that even on this. I mean, some people build somewhere and they get bored over time and they want to move somewhere. This is how you do it. Plus, there's other mods that would help work with that. Plus, if we built a big, large city, let's say we call it Stone Legion City. And I think that's a cool idea of doing like a community project. But if we built this city and it's like, 500 by like 600, whatever, we'll look into doing the spattle or the other stuff. If it is too much work and it's too, it's going to be a pain, what we can do is look into, say, moving it with World Edit and whatnot. World Edit works with modded anyways now, modded blocks. And it's not really cheating because you've built it, you did all the work. All we're doing is just cutting it and pasting it into the other world. That's it. We probably would copy and paste it just because we don't want to accidentally cut it, server crashes, and lose everything. Clearly, we'd do a backup before any of these crazy ideas happen. So that would solve those problems. We could easily update to 1.8, 1.9. Over time, we'll have updates. I'll do sort of like weekly updates in a sense, or monthly, it doesn't matter. But we'll have updates that keep refreshing the content, making sure things are updated, fixed, and we'll be a little bit more active in the community, meaning we're going to have a voice back in Minecraft like we used to. When we were always testing, using things, we became little celebrities, and that's one way we advertise ourselves. Being part of the community, helping test mods for the devs, giving their feedback, etc. Then, what are other ways we can advertise? Well, there's many, and we don't really do them. YouTube. I'm going to go back to doing a Let's Play series, but Let's Play series is such a percentage of the advertising. Another big one is update videos. So doing a video like today, we call this update one. This won't be the update one. This is more of a general idea and just a discussion. This would be an update video. We would talk about, things like the big update we did today and some of the new features or whatnot. Or maybe it's about Bagline's new project he's working on, or Electro's new house, or Electro's new farm he made, or something like that. We would do videos like that. There would be sort of like update 2, update 3 over time. It would be just over its life. Well, it'll be just random news. It could be, new updates to the server, a new project, new community events, etc. And we'll do that through those videos. And then on top of that, we're going to start advertising around the world, basically. Curse, forums, modded forums as well. So we have over 100 mods right now. Industrial Craft has its own forums where you can advertise servers. You got, I think Buildcraft even used to have a section, but you have multiple mods. Some of them have forums that you can advertise. Then you can advertise. Feed the Beasts has a miscellaneous section. Even, I think Tekkit has a miscellaneous section, so you can advertise a server that might be not Feed the Beast sort of setup. So we would expand out there and advertise in that sense. And then we would try to get the community involved. I think making little trailers, sort of like what we did on the build server, I think we could do that again. Maybe some time lapses, just for fun things. I think we need to learn to adapt and evolve this community. Instead of trying to have all these damn servers, I think we should stick with one. And I think our community has pretty much gone to modded Minecraft. There's so many other games that we can run servers for. We don't need 3 or 4 Minecraft servers. We've split our community too much. We need to stop doing it. And in the end, I think more people would play modded than vanilla. Vanilla only lasted because people enjoyed the idea of their stuff not getting wiped. And I think we need to move away from that. If we want to set up a vanilla 1.8 server or a vanilla 1.9 server to play as a survival server where we go around, explore, just beat it, sort of like what we do with modded, I don't see that being a problem. But I don't think we should set up like a whole spigot bucket whole setup anymore. I think we're retired from that. I don't think our community needs to be split up any more than it already has. So that's the idea there. And I think this would work really, really well. I think people will enjoy this. No more wipes, easily updated. We'll keep updating. Even if our entire world is destroyed and ugly and we want to move to a new world, it's not that hard and we can do it. And I think this is the key to Stone Legion Minecraft servers. And I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you guys also are in agreement with this, and please check the link in the description to discuss it more. Now I have some pleasant news about the future of our servers. So we basically get funded by VIP. I've looked into new methods outside of VIP. It's not going to happen. It's 99% stores. I looked at 10 different Feed the Beast servers. All 10 of them had actual stores. Like, you buy items off their website or coins so you can use the coins and buy things in-game. Not going to happen. That is disgusting. We've never ran that way. We never will. We'll probably do the idea what we've always done. We've done some taxing mods. For example, a quarry is a little taxing, where we have other mods that have, you know, more hands-on quarries, a little less. You can't make a 9,000 by 9,000 quarry. Things like Industrial Craft Miner. It's a little more painful to set up, but it works well. It's a nice one. We let everyone have that. But for, say, the quarry or the Ender Quarry, where you can go literally like 500 by 500, which if somebody does that, I'm going to kick you in the nuts. But when you do that, those are going to be for VIP members, those kind of things. So things that might be a little taxing or a little overpowered or could cause a bit too much destruction on the server, we will kind of hold back as a VIP feature. So as a player who has no money, if you're poor, not, you know, having a good life, everything is free for you. I mean, you're going to be able to play literally 99% of everything. There'll just be a few features locked. For the people who support us, it means a lot. If you can support us, it means a lot. It literally costs $15 a month for VIP. I think it's a great way because you do it once, it's set up. You can easily cancel through PayPal or our website, and it's all through PayPal, so it's secure. This pays for Stone Legion. It pays for the sites. It pays for everything, and it means a lot because you guys who are working, I mean, you play, you know, literally if you play our server 2 hours a week, watch my videos even more than 2 hours a week. Or I should say month, not week. That is the equivalent of a movie ticket. And it helps pay for the costs. It's hard for me to always be paying for it. If every single person unsubscribed today, well, if 2 or 3 people unsubscribe, we'd pretty much be in the hole. But the idea right now, I'm already paying out of my pocket for the server. And that's fine. I'm not going to cancel Stone Legion. If no one was subscribed for 6 months, I think Stone Legion would still be here. I would still put my time and effort into it. I care for Stone Legion. I've been doing game servers for over 15 years probably now, and I can't see myself quitting anytime soon. So I love you people, and I'll still support you, but I hope you can help pitch in and support the community. So consider, even the people who enjoy just watching the videos, if you want to support, check out the VIP option. It's only $15 a month through the forums. It means so much to me, guys. Out of all that, we have some good news. So our servers are pretty good. We've had some packet loss here and there. You guys notice robots on TeamSpeak and some issues here and there. We are going to be changing our servers. We are working with a company in Canada, actually, which has, you ready for this? I've tested it, has better ping worldwide, most of America, and almost all of Canada. Yes, your ping will drop, even in America, even though the server was in New York. It was in a data center that had a really bad pipeline. We were having issues. It's funny, the day after I bought one server from this company to test out, I got an email from my current company saying, oh, we'll move you to a whole new data center. And it's like, wait, what? But they won't move the box. I have to fork moving everything, you know, all our content and whatnot. And I was like, whatever. So I'm trying this new company out the day before this email, and it's working amazingly. It's stable, it's fast, it's great, and the best part, it's cheaper. So does that mean we're going to scale everything down? No, because we're going to get rid of VPS. VPS has caused us a lot of headaches, a lot of crashes, a lot of bugs come from VPS servers. Now, VPS works great. We use it on our main server now, and the idea is we have multiple Linux and even Windows operating systems on one machine. We own the machine just like we own the new dedicated server, but we split it up and it causes some issues over time. The idea is we're going to get 3 new computers. Yes, 3 new ones. Better CPUs than what we have now. They're going to have 32 gigs of RAM each. They're going to have 328 gig hard drives. And they're going to cost about the same as what we have right now. Main reason, this is going to be future expansion for Stardale and community sites and projects that we do. It's going to be also for future use for new game servers that we run in our community. We do it all the time. We did, StarMade, Space Engineers, etc. But it's also going to be massively used for our Minecraft modded server. And the Minecraft modded server is going to pretty much have its spanking brand new. Oh, I can't even talk. It's 9 a.m. by the way. Brand new spanking server. Wow, that came out wrong. Just for that, which won't be. Like we don't have to worry, oh crap, we're going to run out of space because we only have, 30 gigs or whatever. Now we have 128 gigs for the entire computer. It actually has 320 gig hard drives. Yes, 320 gig SSD hard drives. And they're going to be in RAID 1, and they're going to be really good for read access and for basically redundancy. So we won't have issues of dying drives and that's it, you lose everything. So we're going to have 3 of these servers with 32 gigs of RAM. The CPU is faster than the current one. I don't have it on the top of my head. And they're going to run our websites, our game servers, and we're going to have more power than we could ever even spend. No more having to worry about, crap hitting the fan like it has been. So that is the future of our servers and what we're going to be doing. We're going to be slowly migrating. I hope you enjoy that because I'm really excited and I think it's going to be worthwhile. Of course, once again, I'm forking a crap ton of money because I got to keep paying for the current server plus slowly migrate over to these new ones because I can't get them right away. They're kind of hotcakes in a sense because it is a really good deal, but they don't have like 100,000 servers available. But it's actually funny because a huge chunk of Minecraft servers are hosted in France and Canada. We found out today that was because of the company we're using. They host majority in Canada and France. Those are the 2 places they only are. And they're really good deals and pretty stable. And, well, it kind of makes sense now why everyone's using them. But either way, this is the future of Stone Legion. I think it's going to be worth it. I think it's going to be good. I hope you guys agree with me. Oops. And I hope you like this video, and I hope you check the link in the description. I hope you share this with your friends. If you used to play our Minecraft server, you got friends who are into Minecraft, please share this video. Let's get this community up and running again. Let's get players into Minecraft, and let's do something amazing, I guess. Thank you so much. I need to go to bed. Holy shit.